Top dogs that's holding it down got on black and blue today. Let's swing around this little bend. Let's. Top dog over here got on the brown pants and the black shirt. It was just two of them over there, but they stepped off. I called off work today. Here go my manager, y'all, that don't do shit. Watch me take his job, though. Yeah, I took off. Hey, sometimes you gotta throw up and feel better. No, I'm still fucked up, though. You would never see me out here with this shit on.
Sometimes your stomach be, your body.
Somebody phone over here tap like shit.
It's mine, because it's real.
No, I said it's tap. When my speaker fucked up, somebody the hot boy. You can rest in heaven. Big ass cross on you. You said this not Club 1? This about to be Sunshine 1. Cause I'm about to be the manager in this show. Hey, you took Damo to court, right? You took the nigga to court that you was fighting? You sure? I'm telling you now. For y'all fight. Oh, alright, cause I was about to pay you $100 to drop that shit. Oh, alright. Oh, let me check my schedule. Look at my coworkers, y'all. Hey, Ray, you gonna let me DJ Ray? I'll still gonna be turned up. I play whatever you want. Billie Jean. The nigga with the big cross left this motherfucker right here. I'm blind. I don't see this shit.
Baby, I like that.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah.
Gone for today? I was about to say, I know you ain't hit that table yet.
I'll be right back.
What? Did I kick your beer? What beer? What? I ain't see no beer. I'm blind, sweetie, in one eye. You gonna smack them if you find out who did it? Oh yeah, I did it. I did it. Cause I don't like poison just sitting on the fucking street. If you want your beer, take that shit with you. Good line. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. This nigga working second half with my sister. Have you? I'm out here trying to see if he gonna do something. Cause I'm gonna whoop your ass right in front of this salon where Damo got locked up at. Cause I know they gonna call the police. He gonna need that shit though, not me.
I don't play that. Nah, I don't play that.
You saying right?
Like, you know, I know. My Glock filled with hollow. All my cars on 4Giotto. Do shit how I know. That rocket like I'm Otto. My pops spit on follow. I'm the king. Follow. How I know. Nigga, you know I know. My life right up bottle. All my guns will send me auto. Look like I hit the lotto. I'm the traffic ducking follow. Slow down, which way to us go? These niggas shit.
What's up, bro? You good on the cigarette?
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Shit, here.
I'll see one.
I got a water in the freezer. You see this? I knew I saw this stuff somewhere. I was looking for more body wash. See? See? Look. Look. Dang. Alrighty. Might have to stay later today because I gotta get this stuff off the floor. Excuse me, you know where Isaac is?
Do I have what?
You know where Isaac is?
Isaac's in the office.
Hey, so basically just get everything on the show. If it's no space for it, make space for it.
Or yeah, you see how those are kind of like stacked at the. If you look in like the food section, how some of the boxes like are kind of to the side
Oh,
of the
okay.
aisle, something like
So if
that.
it's no room, put them. Okay.
Yeah, and just try to get it as much as possible.
Okay,
Yeah,
thanks.
we'll clean it up after.
I try to squeeze these two in the front, but all they're gonna do is fall. So after you remove them, just straighten the line back up. Bring this called facing front. Facing front. Bringing the items back. Forward, so that people can see them. Because if they're all the way in the back, people cannot see them, and the product will not sell. So right now I'm just laying these back. Now let's say by tomorrow somebody has bought this much, like 6 bottles. That means that the person that's working that morning shift should face front. Face front. Every day somebody should be on the floor facing front. Every single day. That should be one person's job, be a face fronter.